Hi friends. Welcome to my channel Limegreen. In this video I will tell you how to put contacts in your eyes. Okay friends. Let's get started. If you've never done this before, the application process might sound a little strange at first. After all, our reflexes try to help us keep objects away from our eyes, right? Relax. Putting in contact lenses is an incredibly easy process and we're here to help walk you through every step. It will take some practice, but you'll soon be able to do it with ease. Question number 1, how to put on contacts in 5 easy steps. Number 1, wash your hands. First off, try not to think of it as putting contacts in your eyes, you're not. You're placing contacts on your eyes, where they rest comfortably and help you see clearly. Now let's get to the actual process. This is probably the easiest way to put in contacts. You want to ensure you don't accidentally carry any dust, germs, or makeup to your contact lens, as that could irritate your eyes. Also, use plain soap without any heavy moisturizers or perfumes. Rinse well and dry your hands. Again, this is to prevent transmitting anything unwanted to your eyes. Now let's insert the contact lenses. If you want to buy this now, you can buy from Amazon, the link given in the description below. If you like this video, like it and share it with friends, and also subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you can never miss our new updates. Thanks for watching.